Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening settings and going straight to accessibility motion. Turn on reduce motion. This cuts parallax and fancy UI transitions, which often trigger nausea. Once done, disable autoplay message effects so unexpected animations don't startle you. Make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS because updates include motion-related fixes. If not, update now. These steps remove the main visual causes, and you'll notice steadier movement and fewer sudden shifts that provoke motion sickness. Next, fine-tune visuals so motion is less intense and easier to follow. Lower screen brightness or enable auto brightness and night shift to reduce contrast and visual strain. This soothes your inner ear/eye mismatch. Turn on dark mode and increase text size so your eyes lock on content, not moving Chrome. Also, disable background app refresh or restrict specific apps that constantly animate. Once these are off, your screen feels calmer and motion cues are simplified, which reduces queasiness during use. To finish, restart your iPhone so all accessibility changes apply cleanly, then test with a short video and slow scrolling to confirm relief. Use a headset or Focus app to limit sensory input when necessary. If you still sense motion, enable Reduce Transparency to remove blurs. If symptoms persist after these steps, reset all settings. It restores defaults without erasing data and can clear conflicting options. If that fails, consider visiting Apple support or a clinician. They can check hardware or in-ear costs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.